object coming to kill us and the puppy?
Girl, do you get stupider by the hour?
Listen, thanks, but I think we need to help the puppy right now.
If you love it so much, why don't you pick it up?
Okay.
Ew! Do you love it now?
No, I don't.
I know who you are!
Santa. You're Santa.
Ow, ow!
But I'm not Santa.
Don't hurt Santa!
No, I'm not Santa.
What?
You want to see my book?
No, don't hurt me! No! I'm Madison!
And I'm Vanessa. Wait, that's wrong.
I'm Madison! And I'm Vanessa!
Bye. Come here, Vivi.
Come on, Vivi!
Your shirt's all messed up.
And our puppy!